Assalamu alaikum. My name is Marina and I'm 18 years old.
Acha, mashallah.
Jazakallah.
Then what do you say? That's all? Okay, next.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, Pyare Hazur. My name is
Walaikum salam.
Mehriya and I have converted to Ahmadi Muslim Jamaat during Jalsa Salana 2019 in Germany. And I wanted to ask you if you allow for dua for my family and me, since I will, inshallah, finish my master's studies this year. And I also wanted to ask for your opinion about the Covid-19 vaccine, since there are a few family members who want to get the vaccine, but I'm not sure if it's good for their health.
So if it is available, then you should take it. But I think they have made some preference order to whom they are going to vaccine first and then second and then third. So first time they are taking old or people who are very sick, ill and fragile people, and then paramedic staff and medical staff as well. So if it is available in your country and the government asks you to take this vaccine, yes, you can take it, no problem. That is what the government says.
Jazakumullah.